The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A10e for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A10e is now here at Straight Talk, so this is really cool. So if you guys are looking for a budget Samsung phone, the Galaxy A10e could be for you here. So the model number is S102DL. There's the front edge. I got the trade drop notch there, power button on the right side, so line keys. You have your 18x9 screen right there. Nice looking wallpaper, Samsung UI on there. That's the right side of the phone, your power and line keys. Back of the Galaxy A10e camera card, something over, and that's about it. As your SD card and the SIM tray, everything else out the phone. There you have it. So the Galaxy A10e, this is a budget phone, of course. It has 802.11 ABGN Wi-Fi, 3.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5.0. Display is 5.83 inches HD plus, that is 720 by 1560 pixels, 8 megapixel main camera, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. 18.2 hours of usage time, 2 GB of RAM, 3 GB of ROM there. Like I said, here the dimensions, I have no idea what the dimensions are. It says introducing the Samsung Galaxy A10e. With the Samsung Galaxy A10e, you get exactly what you need with the performance and reliability from a brand you can trust. Even more with a long-lasting battery. Keep all your stuff with a 32 GB button and expandable and experience it on a 5.83-inch edge-to-edge infinity display. Finally, the phone you need to keep connected with friends and family at just the right price. So the Galaxy A10e, this is a budget phone. Like I said, cheap price, $139.99 for retail price, but I don't know if you can spend it on a payment plan. If you guys have good credit, it's $9.13 a month for 25 months. If you guys are good at your credit or whatever, it's $19.85 a month for 15 months there. If I was you, I would get the phone for $139.99. It's definitely worth it getting full retail price comparing monthly. That's just my opinion. The specs on the Galaxy A10e: 5.8-inch screen display, 5.83 inches that is. The phone weighs 5.9 ounces, including battery. I think it's 3,000 mAh battery. Talk time 18.2 hours. Standby time is 17 days. CDMA, so probably Verizon towers on this. What you guys get in the box is the Samsung Galaxy A10e charger, battery which is embedded in the phone, activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. So the service plan card is required for activation. Cards are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. Text SAS102DL to section 1, section 1 for more tutorials. The Galaxy A10e has Android 9.05 with Samsung One UI. Don't worry, keep it all. Keep more with 30 GB of built-in memory so you can keep all of your photos, shows, movies, and apps without having to delete to make room. If you need more storage, expand your memory up to 5 terabytes with a micro SD card and store up to 100,000 photos. Camera and capture moment. The Galaxy A10e lets you make everyday moments special. Take clear photos with an 8 megapixel rear camera and perfect selfies with the kids and a 5 megapixel front camera. Long-lasting battery with a long-lasting battery with a long-lived goddamn. The Galaxy A10e gives you more time to post, talk, text, and share with friends and family. This way, go edge to edge, enjoy a bold, bright viewing experience with a 5.83-inch display with an infinity display that goes edge to edge. You can see more stories before you scroll. So do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A10e? It's now here at Straight Talk for $139.99 for retail price. So if you're ever looking for a budget Samsung phone, the Galaxy A10e is worth checking out. Yeah, so like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. The specs in here are not that bad. They're pretty decent for what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are listening a lot, please comment, subscribe, and very much for watching my video. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.